In this video, we shall be talking about HTML colors. Yes, you can add colors to your HTML website. You can change the background of your website by going to the open body tag and use the style attributes to change your background. You say background color and you can change it to black. Once I save and I refresh, the content is gone. The only thing we should see is our image. So we can decide to change it to green. So I save and I refresh it. I think this is better. We can decide to change the font color of our first paragraph. Just the font color with the same style attributes. But this time around, you say color, and we can change it to red. But for this case, we will use this method. We'll use the RBG method. So to avoid stress, just search for HTML color picker on Google. You want to change it to red and pick the color, the shade of red you want. Any shade of red you want. This is the color code, and so you just come here and paste the color code. Visual Studio will surely show you the color. That's its own color picker, so you can always change it if you want to. Always change it. So we save and refresh here. The font color has changed. Whichever element, even this block code, you can change the background color with the same style attribute. You can change the background color to, for this particular element, you can change it to yellow. But this time around, let's use RBG. Let's use RBG. This is the yellow we want. This RBG color code for yellow. So we can say, we'll just say RBG. Paste it there. By the time I come here and we run it, and we can decide to put another, we try to change the color, the font color to white. Okay, let's use a different, let's use HSL. Let's use this color. So we just see HSL. So that's how you change color in HTML. I'll see you in the next video.